We can't sleep, we can't eat, we can't think. We can't live, we can't breathe. And we want justice.
Incredible disappointment today from the family of Deshaun Hill, the star Minneapolis North High School student athlete who was shot and killed earlier this year. The trial for the alleged gunman delayed for 2 months, just as jury selection was slated to get underway this morning.
Our Paul Bloom has been following this case. Paul, the defense has some concerns about the evidence, and now the judge is giving them some more time.
Amy and Kelsey, the judge reasoned that there is a lot riding on eyewitness identification of the shooter using photo lineups in this case. Now, the defense arguing today they don't have all the files from police at this point, or what's known as discovery that the state is required to turn over. Some of the other pertinent material coming in very late, just before trial was scheduled to begin. So the court going ahead and delaying the trial for a couple of months, a move that, as you heard there, enraged the Hill family today.
I just want justice for my son. That's all I need to say.
Deshaun Hill Jr.'s family could not believe it. Here for their child's murder trial to get underway with jury selection. Instead, Judge Julie Allen granting a last-minute defense motion to delay the case for another 2 months.
My clients have to go through the holiday without their son.
Exactly.
This is what's troubling. This is Thanksgiving. This is Christmas.
D. Hill, as he was known, was gunned down in February, just blocks from North High School, where he was a star student athlete with a bright future. The suspect fleeing the scene in broad daylight. Investigators eventually tracking down the alleged gunman, Cody Fohrenkam, suggesting in court filings that the shooting may have come down to something as senseless as a shoulder bump while crossing the street. Key to that case, police photo lineups that were supposedly used to identify the now 30-year-old Fohrenkam. His legal team here concerned about late arriving evidence that they haven't had time to process, as well as the police tactics used to pick out their client. The attorneys suggest only 2 of 5 witnesses positively ID'd Fohrenkam as the shooter. Judge Allen agreeing that more time is only fair to ensure that justice is served for all.
We think that the allegations that they've alleged, minuscule pieces of evidence can easily be remedied today, this week. Now we have to go through the holiday.
And one more note, just how close the second-degree intentional murder trial was to starting this morning. The court had a panel of 50 people ready to go for jury selection. The courtroom set up for the voir dire process. Instead, the trial on hold. The party's now looking at a start date of January 17th. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.